Hi everyone, welcome to Betty Healthy Kitchen. Now, there's something I want to show you people how to use. What I have here in my hand, this is garlic, fresh garlic. Now, garlic is one of most of the liked traditional antibiotics, and many people use it. Now, it is sometimes very important to take it just very natural, without fresh, without cooking. You use it, using it as one of the ingredients that you use to cook. Now, and it's also advisable to use it the first thing in the morning before you take your breakfast. And how can you use it without it leaving that stench in your mouth? Now, what I have here is what I've already cut into small chunks, and I also have this glass of water that is going to be taken with, and then after that you can use lemon, or alternatively you can use orange. Now, what do you do? How do you do it? You just take a glass of water and already cut into small chunk garlic. You put just a little bit of water into this, what you have in this tablespoon, and you put it in your mouth. Take water to drop it into your stomach. Remember, you're taking it the first thing in the morning before you take breakfast. You take it, take your water, and if you feel like you want to take some lemon, I know lemon is always very fresh, very early in the morning. You just squeeze the lemon in your spoon, and then you take it. You're ready to go. That stench is gone, and it is going to work wonders in your body. Try it out, and I believe you're going to have the best results. Just don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and that notification bell should also not be forgotten. I thank you for being my fans and for following me. And please, for more recipes, you're most welcome. Thank you very much, and have a blessed, healthy day.